107.1 FM Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. That was the song from Eric Santos, and it's called Pagbigyang Muli. Requested song, requested via the text hotline 0910-6909-501.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
And yes, Basta Radyo Ibandera Mo. By the way, that song was brought to you by Angel's Pizza. Angel's Pizza Olongapo is located at number 395 Fendler Street, Rizal Avenue Extension. For inquiries, deliveries, call or text them up 0927-117-9020. And check out their double deal promo ongoing. Doble sa sarap, doble sa sulit. Choice of 2 pizzas, any flavor. 2 medium pizzas for only 465 pesos. 2 family size, 695. And 2 big family size, 905 only. So check it out. Angel's Pizza Olongapo, 0927-117-9020. Alright, and we have an announcement here. An invitation actually for everybody. Brigada Eskwela 2025 is gonna be happening soon. Malapit na, no? Today is June 4 already. Sama-sama para sa bayang bumabasa. Tara na, magbrigada eskwela. Okay? And I would like to thank our teacher friends at Nelly E. Brown Elementary School for giving me this info. Yan. Siyempre naman, kailangan tong announcement na to ng ating mga ng sambayan ng people. Ayan. Siyempre, pag nagbrigada eskwela, kailan nga ba? It's gonna be on, June 9. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Donna. Ma'am Donna, thank you sa info, ha? Alright. June 9, yung brigada eskwela sa Nelly E. Brown. I think it's simultaneous with other schools din, ano? Yeah, okay. So, what can you share? Pag nagbrigada eskwela, cleaning materials. Ayan. Walis tambo, tingting, dustpan, trash bin, detergent, powder man or liquid. Ayan. Floor wax, brush, etc. Naalala ko tuloy yung yung dalawang estudyante na na grade 1. Sabi niya, "Ma'am, pag yung Tide ba tsaka yung surf pinaghalo, bubula." So sabi ni ma'am, "Oo naman, parehong sabon 'yun." Sabi nung estudyante, bumulong dun sa katabi sa kaklase, "Ano ba to si ma'am? Excited? Wala pang ang tubig." Sabi nung katabi niyang kaklase, "Oo nga naman, excited lang si ma'am, hayaan mo na." Ayan, okay. Naalala ko lang. Detergent powder, floor wax, brush, etc. Para sa mga painting material, syempre, paintbrush, pintura, ayan, roller tray, paint thinner, etc. Para naman sa gardening materials, pwede kayong mag-donate or magdala, flower pots, plants, seeds, seedlings, gardening tools, etc. Okay? And for construction materials, roofing, electrical, plumbing materials, hammer, sand, cement, sledgehammer, wheelbarrow, welding machine. Ayun. Okay. So, also, pwede nyo ring i-share. Voluntary to, hindi anong tawag doon, hindi naman pilitan or voluntary syempre. School supplies, hygiene kits, and food for volunteers. Yan, kung hindi ka makapag-volunteer, dala ka man lang ng pagkain, pakainin mo yung mga nagbo-volunteer, di ba? Yan, saya-saya niya, no? Brigada Eskwela 2025. All right. It's gonna be on June 9, simultaneous sa mga public schools, sa mga schools ng DepEd, of course. Okay? And according to the info I got, ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Donna, meron pang kick-off parade that's gonna be happening on June 27 a.m. Ayan. I think the kick-off parade, yun na yung parang to start things up, pagsisimula ng pasukan. Yan. Anong day ba yung June 20? Let me check. Ayun, Friday, Friday. Okay, so there's gonna be a kick-off parade June 20, 7 in the morning. I think everybody can join, right? Okay, so there you have it. Brigada Eskwela 2025. Let's all do our part. Yan, okay? Para sa mga anak naman natin yan, Alright, so there you go, the announcement. DepEd announcement that is for you. Brigada Eskwela Back to School campaign.